Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Morning,
So how are you
teacher.
guys today? Is it good?
Good.
Good.
Alright. So today we are going to learn a simple topic which is atomic structure. But before we are going to start our class, I would like to remind you guys about my classroom. May I have Humaira to read these rules?
Yes, teacher. Always turn on your camera. Ensure your mic is on mute. Pay attention.
Alright, thank you, Humaira. So, if you guys have any question, feel free to raise up your hand and I will respond your question quickly. So, are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Ready.
Alright, it's good. Okay, for the learning outcome, at the end of this lesson, students should be able to define the proton number and nucleon number. And the second, students should be able to determine the nucleon number, proton number, and number of electrons in an atom. And then lastly, students should be able to construct an atomic structure diagram and electron arrangement. Okay. Okay, now, what you guys can see from this slide.
Paper.
Paper.
Okay, actually it is a bunch of paper. So now I want you guys to imagine this paper. Imagine if I could tear apart this paper into a smaller and smaller pieces. Could you keep doing this forever?
No.
No, right? Okay, because this thing has a limit actually, because we will reach the incrementability of a tiny particle that we call as a atom. So, what's makeup of atom? Do you guys have any ideas?
No,
No.
teacher.
There's actually three tiny particles to make of atom, which is the first one is proton, the second one is neutron, and the third one is electron. So today we are going to learn that. So for the proton is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Meanwhile, for the neutron number is the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus, which is this is the formula that you need to remember, which is nucleon number equal to the number of proton and the number of neutron. Meanwhile, for the electron, the number of proton is equal to the number of electron. This thing is only applicable when an atom is on a neutral state only. Okay, so, well, what happens to the number of electron if it is on ion or it's not on a neutral state? Do you guys have any idea about this? Is there any differences?
Yes.
Yes, difference.
Why, Farisha? Why do you think it's different?
Because in ions, the number of electron is will be less or more than
Yes.
atom.
It's true. The concept is true. Okay, actually for the ion, it depends whether your charge is a positive or negative charge. Okay, so let's see here. For an ion, the number of electron will be increases. Thus, it will be a negatively charged ion. So we can say that for an ion, it is negative charge. Meanwhile, for the cation, the number of electron will be decreases. Okay, and then it will be the positively charged ion. Okay. So what we can do from here, actually, for the anion, the number of proton you need to plus with the number of charge. I put plus because it says that the number of electron need to be increases. Okay. Meanwhile, for the cation, okay, the number of proton minus number of charge. So I put here it is negative, minus, because it says here that the number of electron need to be decreases. Okay, let's see from this table. There are two types of chlorine, which is the first one is chlorine atom and the second one is chlorine ion. Like I said earlier, for the chlorine atom, the number of proton need to equal or not equal with number of electron.
Equal.
Yes, correct. It's equal. Meanwhile, for the ions, the number of proton is not equal to the number of electron. It depends whether your charge is negative or positive. Like for this one, the chlorine ion, the Cl minus. Cl minus indicate for negative 1 charge. So for the negative 1, it is an anion or cation.
An ion.
Yes, an ion. So that's why we need to plus 1 because the number of electron for the anion is increases. So that's why and here the number of electron for the chlorine ion is 18. Okay, do you guys understand or you guys have any question?
Understand.
Yes, understand, teacher.
Okay, good. So now let's proceed with exercise. So I give you 10 seconds to answer this question and then you need to write up your answer in the text box. Okay? I will count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Please comment your answer in the text box. Okay, Aisha said the nuclear number for aluminium is 27, electron 13, Faika, okay, same with Humaira. Okay, what about the sodium ion? For the Na, Aisha said nuclear is 23, electron is 10, and the rest? Okay, the rest of you got the same answer. So basically, this is the answer. Geez, most of you guys have a correct answer. Okay, good job, everyone. I'm so proud with you. Okay, so okay. Now I will proceed to the atomic structure and electron arrangement. For this part, you need to know the three things, which is the first one is a nucleus. You need to draw the first one. You need to draw a nucleus, and the second you need to draw a shell. Okay, before you draw a shell, you need to know that for the first shell, this one is the first shell, the maximum number of electron is 2 electron only. Meanwhile, for the second, third, and above of shell, the maximum number of electron is 8. Okay, you need to remember this forever and ever. Okay? Okay, good. So the third one is you need to know the valence shell. The valence shell is the outermost layer of your diagram. Okay? Do you guys have any questions so far?
No.
No, teacher.
So far, so good, teacher.
Okay, I will show you guys on how to construct an electron arrangement. For the electron arrangement, it only show the nucleus and electron arrangement of an atom. So, the first thing first, before you construct the diagram, you need to know the number of proton for your element. For example, in this example, I will choose aluminium. The proton number for aluminium is 13. And the second thing you need to know and write is electron arrangement. How to get an electron arrangement? Okay, like I said earlier, for the first shell, the maximum number of electron is
2.
Oh, okay, correct. Okay, then you just write here 13 minus 2 equal to 11. Then you will have 11 remaining of electron. So what you need to do for the second layer of shell, how many maximum number for the second layer?
8.
8. Okay, brilliant. Okay, 8. And then you just put here 11 minus 8 equal to 3. And then the remaining is 3. So you just need to put here at the last one. 3. So after you get the electron arrangement, you just need to do the construct your diagram. The first one, you need to draw a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, you need to write your element. This one is Al, aluminium. And then you need to draw the first shell. The first shell, it consists of 2 electrons. Okay, this one. For the second shell, it will be 8 electrons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for the third shell will be 3 electrons. 2, 3. Okay, guys, I guess clear?
Okay. Teacher.
Guys, the atomic structure. For the atomic structure, it only show the number of proton and neutron in the nucleus. Okay, it's how to draw this atomic structure is just same with the electron arrangement. However, the only difference here, inside the nucleus, you need to show how much the number of proton and how much the number of neutron inside the nucleus. Okay, for example, you already know the proton number, neutron number, and electron arrangement. And then you just need to construct the diagram. The first one, you need to do a nucleus. Okay, this is your nucleus. So inside your nucleus, you need to write up your proton number. For this, the proton number is 13. So you write here, P equal to 13. Okay, for the neutron number is 14. Okay, so you just need to write here is N equal to 14. So and then you just need to draw your shell like I teach you earlier. For the first one, there is 2 electrons for the first shell. Okay, so right, 1, 2. And for the second shell will be 8 electrons. Okay, this is your shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and the last one, the last shell, which is the outermost layer, which is this one, has a 3 electron. Which is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you guys clear? Oh my god, sorry. Do you guys clear?
Clear, teacher.
Clear, teacher.
Are you sure you understand?
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
teacher.
Okay, let's see whether you understand or not. So, please take out a piece of paper and then answer this question. And later, I will pick one of you guys to share your answer. I give you 1 minute. Is it enough for you guys to construct the diagram?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Let's start now. Okay, did everyone already answer their question? Then answer these questions. May I have one volunteer to answer this question?
Done, teacher.
Okay, great. Linda, can you share your answer? You just need to take a picture and then share into our group class. Okay, this is Linda's answer. Okay, before I check, did you guys have the same answer or are there any other answer than this?
Same
No,
with Linda,
same
teacher.
answer.
No? Your answer is same?
Same
Yes.
answer.
Okay, let's see whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, the electron arrangement for the Cl. Okay, this one is correct. The electron arrangement, the nucleus, correct. First shell consists of two. Mm, Alright, this one is correct for electron arrangement. Let's see for the atomic structure. Okay, it show the proton number is 17, neutron number is 18. Okay. Okay, well done guys. Your answer is correct. I'm so proud with you. Okay. Good job everyone. So this is the actual answer if you want to see. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's all from our class. But before we end this class, I would like to have a one volunteer to recap what we have learned for today. May I have Farah?
Yes, teacher. Today we learned about the proton number, which is proton number is the number of proton in the nucleus of atom. Second, we learned about the nuclear number, which is a total number of proton and neutron in the nucleus. And we learned about the electron number. Electron number have a two different have a two state, which is neutral state that contain number of electron equal to the number of protons. But in the ion state is different, which is it depends on the charge of ion. If in an ion, the number of if the an ion is actually the negative charge, so the number of electron is a total of the number of proton and the number of charge of electron due to the increasing of the number of electron, and the cation is a positive charge. So the electron number is should the is different is a number of proton should be tolak with the number of charge due to the minus of the number of charge due to the decreasing of the number of electron.
Alright, thank you Farah. That's a good answer. Now from what Farah said, actually I can conclude that everyone in this class can actually define and determine about the nuclear number, proton number, and about the number of electrons in an atom. And I believe from our exercise earlier that you guys are able to construct an atomic diagram and electron arrangement. Okay class, before we really ended this class, I will give you a homework for today classes. So please do this exercise, test yourself 2.3 on your textbook, page 36, okay? Then we will discuss this exercise later in the next class. Okay guys? Okay, bye everyone. Thank you
Thank you,
for
teacher.
listening to my class.